In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a modern navigation menu with smooth hover effects using HTML and CSS. Subscribe to DevFix for more tutorials. Inside the body, create a NAV element. Inside the NAV, create the first anchor element. Set the ref attribute to a hash symbol. Type home. Create the second anchor element. Set the ref attribute to a hash symbol. Type about. Create the third anchor element. Set the ref attribute to a hash symbol. Type portfolio. Create the fourth anchor element. Set the ref attribute to a hash symbol. Type services. Create the fifth anchor element. Set the ref attribute to a hash symbol. Type blog. Create the sixth anchor element. Set the ref attribute to a hash symbol. Type contact. Start with the universal selector. Set the margin property. Type 0. Set the padding property. Type 0. Set the box sizing property. Type border box. Now target the body element. Set the minimum height property. Type 100 viewport height. Set the display property. Type flex. Set the align items property. Type center. Set the justify content property. Type center. Set the font family property. Type system UI sans serif. Set the background property. Type white. Now target the NAV element. Set the display property. Type flex. Set the gap property. Type 8 pixels. Set the background property. Type Alice blue. Set the padding property. Type 10 pixels. Set the border radius property. Type 60 pixels. Now target the anchor elements inside the navigation. Set the color property. Type midnight blue. Set the text decoration property. Type none. Set the padding property. Type 14 pixels. Type 28 pixels. Set the border radius property. Type 50 pixels. Set the font size property. Type 17 pixels. Set the font weight property. Type 600. Set the transition property. Type 0.6 seconds. Type ease. Now target the hover state of the navigation links. Set the background property. Type royal blue. Set the color property. Type white. Set the transform property. Type translate Y. Open parenthesis. Type -3 pixels. Close parenthesis. And that's it. Your modern navigation menu is now complete. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials, and I'll see you next time.